Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Now we coloring alphabets numbers. First we are using the color of yellow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we coloring the alphabet of A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B for ball and B for bat. And the next one is C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E for egg, E for elephant. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F for fish, F for fan. G for goat. And the next one is H for hand, I for eyes. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. J for jackfruit. K for kite. The next one is L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. And the next one is P. P for penguin, P for parrot. Q for queen, and the next one is R for rose, and R for rice. The next one is S for sun, S for snake. Now we draw the alphabet of T. The next one is U for umbrella. V for van. And the next one is W for wolf. X for Xmas tree and Y for yolk. The last one is Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we are using green color. Now we are using the color of green. O and 1, and the next one is 2, TWO2. Now we draw the number of 3, THREE, 3. The next one is 4, FOUR, 4. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is 5, FIVE, 5. SIX, 6. Kids, now we draw the number of 7. SAVEN, 7. Now we draw 8. And the next one is 9, NINE, 9. Now we draw the number of 9. The next one is 10, TEN, 10. Now we draw alphabets and numbers. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. Now we coloring 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of star. And now we using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. Now we are using blue color. The next one is pentagon, the shape of pentagon. Now we are using blue color. The next one is square, the shape of square. Now we are using blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. Now we are using the color of green. Kids, now we are using green color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid. We again using green color. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.